So if I record, for example, I'm going to just record myself, and just wait right there, Catherine. Right? I was getting close to that thing. Can you see the squiggly lines that are popping up? Right? Anybody guess what this is? My voice, right? But those lines, it could be anything, right? For example, watch this. That's not my voice, right? But that's a visual representation of sound. These are called wave forms. Can everybody say wave forms? Wave forms. I want to give you a DJ name. How about DJ C squared? Say, all right, here's what I want you to say. I'm DJ C squared. Ready?
I'm DJ C squared.
Very good. Can you say, oh yeah?
Oh yeah.
So now she can also scratch, but this time with her own voice. All right, so move it forward. Very good. And back, don't let go of it though. Yeah, back. Very good. And forward, and drop it.
I'm DJ C squared.
Very good. Thank you very much. Give it up for DJ C squared over here. You can have a seat. Okay.